guys, welcome back to my channel. I am gonna go run some errands and I thought that it would be fun to take you guys along with me. I need to go to Ross to look for new dog beds because Gigi has a thing where she likes to likes to chew up her dog beds. So we are going to go to Ross and look for new dog beds. Ignore him. Need to turn the TV off. But we are going to go to Ross, and then I want to go to Ulta because I need a refill on my concealer. I don't think that they've been carrying my shade. I will show you guys my quick outfit. So I don't know if you guys can see, I'm just wearing this like purple baggier shirt from Old Navy, just my biker shorts from Forever 21, and then just my pink checkered band. So nothing too crazy, but just a cute running errands outfit, and these puppies are gonna have to stay here. So I also want to get at Ross, if they have it, like one of those stands for my phone for in my car, so I can literally just like pop you guys here. I am still wanting to do like consistent videos. Like I'm not gonna set myself on like a weekly schedule, but I definitely have been like enjoying doing videos again, just like literally filming anything that I want to film. I'm not really super interested in doing a ton of like sit down videos. I don't watch those kind of videos anymore unless they're like Q&As and stuff. So and I don't know that I have an audience really to do like Q&As. I don't think you guys like have tons of questions for me. So for now, I'm going to be doing lots of like a day in the life stuff. I've been really enjoying doing that. And so yeah, we will see how today goes. I'm very tempted to get a matcha because I love a good matcha from Starbucks, but the area we're going has doesn't have matcha. It has a Starbucks, so I'm tempted, but also Starbucks has crazy raised their prices from inflation. Like, come on, Starbucks, it's not necessary. I think it's like a little out of hand how expensive they've gotten, so we will see if I decide to support that much inflation. That's a little crazy, but yeah, let's head to the stores. Okay, so I just got out of Ross. I got the two beds. They're basically just like little pads for their kennel. They sleep in their kennel every night. They love their kennels. But Gigi has a thing, I think I explained, where she just likes to tear up her beds constantly. So I'm basically just gonna like clean up their kennels and put these two things in there because yeah, Max just has like a blanket and it just doesn't look great either. So I'm going to do that. I also got these, which I'm interested to try. I'm gonna hook up the little stand thing I got, and then I'll show you guys what I bought. Hopefully this thing will stick because I've had problems buying like cheap ones and then they don't stick, so we'll see. Okay, so I think it's secure. I actually am shocked at how good this is. It's like right in the middle of my... So this is what it looks like. You can see it's like kind of pretty cute. It was only $5, and for $5, it's really secure. You can like adjust this part too. So like this part goes like in and out, and then this part like goes up and down, twisting all the ways. So I'm really impressed for $5. That's really amazing. Okay, so I'll show you guys what else I got. So if you guys wanted to know, this is what the brand was. The box was like really beat up, but almost all of the boxes for like the little like clips were like just completely destroyed. But it's the View 360. If you guys want to look at that. Yeah, it was only $5, which thoroughly impressed for $5. I also picked up, I showed you guys a couple things I tried on. I tried on that really adorable American Eagle romper. It was only $3.99 on clearance. I was really hoping I would like it, and I did love it, other than like where the clasp sat on me looked really funny. So I didn't end up getting it. I figured I'll let somebody else have it as like their amazing find of the day. But it was American Eagle romper for $3.99, guys. So don't ever sleep on Ross, I'll tell you that. I also tried on that like activewear skirt thing, just because I have a golf event for work, and so I have to probably wear like something just a little bit longer than like my active shorts. I liked it, but for $13 I was kind of like, I can probably find something like a little bit cute. I did end up getting this like pink shirt that you guys saw me try on. And it like just was kind of like this. This is definitely a work shirt for me, and it was originally $10 from them, which is not bad still, and it was on clearance for $3.50. So for a nice work top, I could not pass that up. I also picked up this set of LED lights. They're like these little like clip-on battery operated like push lights, and they change into a bunch of different colors, but I mainly got this for under the counters, or under the cabinets in our kitchen, because I just thought that'd be really fun. It kind of like just like enhances the look and makes things look more expensive. That's all I got from Ross. I still spent $50 somehow, some way. Ulta is literally right here, so I'm just gonna run in and just see if they have the shade for my concealer. I'm not going to get anything else, so if they don't have it, we're leaving. Hey. Did you get new beds? Is this for you? Is this for you? Yeah, hi. What you guys been doing? Hello. Okay, so I'm back home. I wanted to show you guys quickly. No, don't drink my coffee, please. I wanted to quickly show you guys what I got from Ulta, because I did end up getting a couple more things, but only because I realized as I was walking in that I had a gift card for my birthday that I never used all of it. So I decided it was okay to treat myself. Are you guys so curious? They're clearly very curious as to what I got. So I did get a couple more things other than my concealer, because Gigi's very curious. Guys, stop. Oh my gosh. And they say dogs are not children. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what I got from Ulta. I had a gift card that I never used all of it, so I decided to look at some like skincare things, because I'm running out of my cleanser and I love that cleanser. I'm going to repurchase it, but I like to have 2 cleansers, and I know that sounds really weird, but we have 2 full bathrooms upstairs, and one has like a bathtub that I take baths in, and then one is like my shower. Get out of there. And I like, my cleanser is always in the one bathroom that I'm not using that day. So I wanted to have 2 cleansers just to have like variety. Long story short, I got 2 skincare items. I didn't get like a full new skincare routine. I did get my concealer. I used the Revolution Conceal and Hydrate. My tripod just pinched me, so that hurts. I'm normally in C6. I had to get C4, which was C7, I guess, was technically like the closest to the one I always get, but when I compared C7 and C4, C4 was a lot more of like neutral undertone, whereas the C7 looked more like pink undertone. So I'm going to try this out. I love Revolution. I use their foundation, their Conceal and Hydrate foundation. I went browsing their skincare section, and I ran into this really adorable looking packaging from Fourth Ray Beauty. And the first thing that caught my eye was the matcha face milk. I was just talking about matcha at the beginning of this video, and I love matcha. The idea of a matcha face milk makes me like thirsty, and it makes me like want a drink of like matcha face milk. Like I want to drink that, you know? The packaging is absolutely adorable. What is that? That black stuff is not, that's dirt. The packaging is absolutely adorable. I did peek inside of the packaging in the store to see like what this was really. And isn't that just the prettiest thing you've ever seen? Probably can't tell that much because I'm using my front camera, but I'm curious to see what this smells like. On the side it says, "I like you very matcha." That's cute. If you guys can hear that like sound in the background, Mac's eating his bone, so please, I'm sorry, it's keeping him distracted. So this is described as a creamy, lightweight moisture booster to refresh and tired skin, formulated with matcha milk, rice milk, and white tea. This formula will quench your skin with antioxidants for a more energized complexion. Apply 2 to 3 drops into palms, warm between hands, and gently press into skin. Use as needed. The next thing that I tried is also Fourth Ray Beauty, and it's Raisin Sunshine Jelly Cleanser for glowing, clean skin. And oh, that's cute. It's first ray of the day is on the side. So that's really cute because they're called Fourth Ray, you know? So this is described as your daily sunshine in a bottle. Hey, what are you doing? She's trying to get into her food. I'm so sorry for the interruptions, guys. So your daily sunshine in a bottle, this sensorial jelly cleanser gently cleanses and brightens without stripping moisture for healthy looking glowing skin. Vitamin C and antioxidant rich turmeric and camu work to even skin tone and enhance skin radiance, while a sunny citrus aroma energizes and awakens senses. So massage onto wet skin using circular motions, rinse thoroughly with warm water. So again, I did peek at the packaging on this one. It's not as beautiful as like the matcha milk, you know, but I still thought it was really cute. It just looks like this. It's a jelly cleanser, has a little pump. I like the idea of a pump. And yeah, we will see how this goes. I'm excited to try this. Oh, let's see what this one smells like. That one smells like citrusy, like really refreshing. This is gonna be really amazing. Bless you. This is gonna be really amazing for like mornings. So I think I'm going to start using this as like my morning cleanser, and then I'll use the other cleanser that I use. I use like the Honest Beauty Gel to Milk cleanser usually, and I will just start using that one at night, and I'm gonna work on using this one in the morning. I really am excited to try that. So that's all I got from Ulta. We are going to put those lights up. I am looking and I'm realizing that I probably need 3 of those lights here because they're pretty small, and then I can get away with just the one here. So I may have to go grab another package at some point and to go upstairs and clean out the dogs' kennels and put in their new beds that they're so excited about. And yeah, we will see what ends up happening. I'm gonna make dinner later and just kind of relax. I'm going to probably actually sit here for a couple minutes and just enjoy my afternoon coffee. I don't normally have afternoon coffee, but it sounded like a nice thing to have today. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello to my big boy.